it's me, Allegra. Babes, I just got some new makeup, so I thought it'd be really fun today to do a testing new makeup video. These are some new makeup releases. These are from 2021, but there are a few new makeup releases 2020 here too, so I just never got a chance to try them out, so I figured I'd try them out today with you beauties. So before we jump into today's video, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and join the fam. I have tons of giveaways, tons of pop-up giveaways. Right now I'm giving away a Coach bag and so many other goodies, so make sure if you're not already subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video testing out new makeup. So beauties, I got here the Animal Crossings palette collection. So this is new makeup from Colourpop. So in this collection here, you get 4 different palettes that come. These are kind of like mini palettes. So I've never seen these before. I haven't even seen these online because I haven't been online that much. I haven't been on my social media hardly at all. So this is my first time seeing them in real life, but how stinking cute are these? They're so small. How cute are they, guys? Look at this one. Let's see, what is this? Is this going to be like mint colors? Oh my god, yes, mint. And then here is, I don't know, this is like a pink one. So is this pink colors? Yes. Oh my god, how beautiful. And then here's another one. Purple shades, I bet. So, oh my god, so gorgeous. And then here is this final palette. What a hoot. Oh my god, you guys, which one do you love the best? They're all so gorgeous. So, okay, this for me is a perfect everyday palette. What a hoot. So that's gorgeous for everyday. But for today, to try out something different, I don't really remember wearing mint shades ever. So maybe I'll play with this one today. This one is Nook Ink. So this is gorgeous. Guys, how beautiful is this? Oh my god. And I do wear purple a lot, but these purples look so different. I mean, that one, this shade here is so iridescent. Oh my gosh, they're all so iridescent. And then let me see here. Oh my god, this one is so pretty. Oh, and it has the puppies on it. Oh my god. Island Designer. This is beautiful. This one is not really that pink like I thought initially. It's kind of just like pastels. And this is 5 Star Island. Oh my god, maybe I'll have to use this one today. I think I'll use this one because this was kind of like pastels and you have to be in the mood for greens, right? So let me go ahead and try out this one first. So this is, like I said, 5 Star Island. I also have some new blushes to try out, and then I also have this. Really, I can't wait to try this. This was like $5 on Amazon. You Beauties had told me about it. This is the Super Lash Mascara, Avocado Mascara, and this has gotten so many 5-star reviews, top rated Amazon mascara beauty product. And I don't know, what does it smell? It's called, does it smell like apple or avocado? She was telling me, one of you beauties was telling me about this, but I'm going to try this after. Let's do the eye first. And then what else did I get? I got some more goodies here. And guys, I definitely wanted to have a pop-up giveaway today. So make sure you're subscribed in order to enter today's giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 5 brand new makeup products and makeup and beauty products in a beauty and makeup mystery box. So make sure that you subscribe and comment below that you'd like to take part, and I'm going to be picking one of you beauties to win a mystery box today. And guys, from now on, going forward from this video, I'm going to announce the winner's name in the video because I've been commenting back to a lot of you guys and letting you know that you won, and I don't think you're getting the messages because nobody writes back. So I have a feeling you're not getting the messages. So I want to make sure that you guys find out that you won. So I'm definitely going to be, from this moment forward, saying your name in the video, and hopefully you will find out that way that you won, because I hate not seeing you guys win. And I picked a few of you, and then I know you mustn't have gotten the message because you said you wanted to enter, a few of you. But anyway guys, this palette looks so cute. I cannot get over the packaging. So let me go ahead and dip right in. So I'm just going to dip right into this. It's like a coral pink. That's why I feel like it's different. Because I know I just did a pink look the other day. But this is coral pink, so it's different. So let me go ahead and try this. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? It's like the most unique color. It's like a coral pastel neon pink. That's beautiful. Oh my god, I love that color. You guys, I know a few of you had said, I think it was one of my last tutorial videos, how I couldn't talk. I was doing voiceovers, but the way my beauty room is set up right now, it's very hard because my husband is in the other room for him to watch TV and stuff like that. But That's why sometimes when I do my makeup videos now, I have to do voiceovers. But when I move to my new house, my beauty room's going to be far away from the TV, let's put it that way. So I'll be able to do more videos like this where I'm talking. So I love that. I'm just kind of pulling it over into my crease area now. But it's so much fun, you guys. It's so different. So it's not it's not what I thought. So let me go ahead and take a clean fluffy brush now, and then I'll just buff out just the edge of that shade. And I do have on a concealer. I always prime my eyes with a concealer first, so the shadows kind of blend into the concealer when you do that, and it makes a really pretty effect, especially if you don't have a lot of shadows on you. Like this palette only has 4 shadows, so there's not a lot for you to work with. So let me go ahead and bring back the pink again now. So I'm just making small circular motions. And then I'll go back in with my clean fluffy brush just to blend that out. And now I'm just holding it on the edge. That just gives you a different effect. Kind of smudges it into your eye. And when you hold it straight on, it gives a more concentrated effect. So guys, how beautiful is that? I'm just going to grab a smudger brush, just any kind of small smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge that shade on my lower lashes. And now I think, just for fun, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm just going to take some concealer on a flat kind of brush, a smudger type of brush, and I'm just going to put this on the front portion of my eye. So now I'm going to take this yellow shade with the same brush. I just wiped it off on a tissue, and I'll just dip right into it and just put that right on top of the concealer. You guys, isn't it so pretty? Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's kind of like a subtle neon yellow lemon look. So anyway, I'm just going to dip into this shade now just to give it a try, and I'm going to put that on the center portion of my eye. So that comes out very, very light. So that is just like a wash, a glitter. So actually I'm just going to lay that right on top of the yellow because it's kind of sheer, so it doesn't take away from the yellow. So I really like that. So I just put that right on top of the yellow. So I'm actually going to wet that color and see if it comes out even more shimmery. So I'm just going to wet it with my Like a Cherry Beauty Mist. And I'm just going to take a little bit finally of the last color in the palette. I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my eye just to see what it will do. Oh, it's more, okay, I thought that was going to be much more shimmery. Oh, but it has a lot of fallout. Guys, I'm just putting some powder over the fallout. So guys, I'm just going to dip back into our first shade, and I'm just going to pack that very gently on top of the darker shade we just laid down to kind of blend it out and dilute it a bit because it came out much more intense than I anticipated. And guys, I'm going to take just a small brush and some of my translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to use that to blend the edge since this palette doesn't have a lot of colors in it, and I want to just get that edge blended out. And I'm just going to take this cream gel liner from Colourpop. This is Amethyst Hour, and I'm just going to put this on my waterline. So guys, that's really pretty. You definitely have to, I would highly recommend to do your foundation after your eyes, because to do it before your eyes it was kind of all over the place and kind of hard to work with, being that that one dark color kept having so much fallout. So guys, now I'm so excited to try out this Super Lash mascara. This is the Apple, I guess, by Apple brand. It's from, like I said, it's top rated Amazon. Beauties had told me about this, so I'm really excited to try it. I don't remember if you guys said it smelled like apple. Let me see. Oh, it does smell like apple. It smells so good. Oh my god, I love it. It has a really big applicator, which I like too. It just looks like a lot of fun. I'm not seeing the hugest difference yet. It feels like this might be a little dry. I feel like maybe, I could be wrong, but it feels like it's a little dry coming out of the tube. So do you guys see a difference? I don't know that I see the hugest difference right now. The lower lashes look really good. I love mascaras that make your lower lashes really pop out, so they really are emphasizing my lower lashes, which I like a lot. But on my upper lashes, I'm not sure that I'm seeing the biggest of differences. Yeah, you guys, I don't really feel like, for me, I don't also have a lot of lashes. If you have a lot of lashes, this might have did something really great. But for me, I don't have a lot of lashes, so this really didn't do that much for me. But I heard that a lot of people love it, but for me, I don't really see a huge difference. So I'm going to put on my lashes. So then I have lashes here, so I'll put those on in a minute. But while I'm letting my mascara dry, I just have this new blush to try out today. This is also from the Colourpop Animal Crossings collection. So I figured I would try this blush. There's a pink packaging blush. So it looks like a gorgeous kind of mauve shade. There's also this blush in the collection. So actually maybe I'll try the peach because I haven't tried a peach blush in a while. So let me go ahead and try this one out today. It's more like a peachy pink kind of color. So I'll just put it on my brush like so. And guys, something I've been doing lately is I take the brush like on the side and I've been applying the blush with the side of the brush, so not straight on the side, and kind of smudging it into my skin. And I just really love how it's been coming out. This is another gorgeous blush. I really can't get over Colourpop blushes. I don't think I ever used a bad one. They're just all amazing. So once I have a good amount on, then, you know, I kind of put it on the center, then I'll move to the cheek, to the apple of the cheek. That is so stunning. I'm so glad I used that today because that's a really stunning blush. So guys, I'm just going to pop on my lashes and then we'll put on a lip and then we'll see how the final look comes out. So I'll be right back. So dolls, this is where we're at so far. I just took a little bit more of that yellow color from the palette and this color right here, and I just put some of that back on the front portion of my eye and in the kind of in this tear duct area, just to brighten it up. It's so beautiful. I'm like in love with this color. I can't believe what it can do. It's really weird. And I'm just going to pull it all the way out even to kind of towards the bridge of my nose. It's so beautiful. I can't get enough of it. I actually think that would make a beautiful highlighter too. And I just want to try it, guys, but it might look bad, but you never know. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's just like it's like a lemon iridescent color. It's really weird. You guys, I hope you can see it. It's very subtle, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna put some on my cheeks too. That is so gorgeous, you guys. I can't believe how gorgeous that is. Put some on my brow bone. Make like a V shape here. That is so gorgeous. I cannot believe my eyes. I'm so shocked, you guys. I would never have thought that would look so pretty together. So I'm just bringing back the first color we used, that's Island Tune. Just gonna, you know, just to blend everything together. Put some under my eyes, like, with a fluffy brush. This is so, I'm literally in shock. You guys, this is so beautiful. So let me give myself a spray of my Allegra Trity Beauty Mist. This is for glowing skin and super long lasting makeup too. Smells so good. So I'm going to let that soak in. Actually, I would love to try, now that my face is wet, that yellow shade again. Just to see if it comes out even more. Yeah, look at that. It's even more gorgeous now. So guys, while I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm just going to put on this lippy stick from Colourpop. I never used this one before. This is the Mamacita. So pretty, you guys. And then I just have here a new, where did it go? It's missing. It's missing, you guys. Oh, I got these new lip tints from Colourpop. Look how gorgeous these are. I thought these were, I didn't think these were, these are from, I didn't think these were going to be so beautiful. Oh my god. So these are also from the Animal Crossing collection. And these are, they're called Just a Tint, but look at that color. It's so beautiful. I'm going to try this color. So beauties, this is the finished look. This lip actually feels so amazing. It is a little bit on the purple side because I added the purple lip liner, but on its own it is the most gorgeous chocolatey brown color. So if I had used a nude lip liner, this would be more of a chocolatey lip look. Oh my god. Actually, I feel like doing that right now. Let me go ahead and try that and I'll be right back. So guys, I don't know if it looks any different to you, but I just traded out the purple lip liner and I put on a nude lip liner, but the purple's still there too. I don't know. Anyway guys, this lip gloss, this is a lip balm, but it feels so incredible and it gives so much color. I can't believe it. So actually this is it right here. So you get two in the package. So next time I'll try the nude one, but this one I put on today. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's called Coconut Juice. Oh yeah, it's like a reddish brown. So, but it feels so incredible and gave so much coverage. It's a lip balm with just a tint of color. Oh my god, this is so good, you guys. They have a whole bunch of different colors to choose from. So I'll have these linked below, and definitely you can use my Colourpop code 5Allegra and you'll save on your Colourpop order. So I hope you guys enjoyed testing out some new makeup with me today. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products yet. Will you be picking any of them up? I would love to know, so let me know down below. And also let me know if you'd like to be entered to win the 5-piece makeup and beauty mystery box. So all you have to do, like I said earlier, to be entered is to be a subscriber and also just comment and let me know that you'd like to take part, and I'll be going through the comments and I will announce your name in one of the upcoming videos. So be on the lookout to see if you're the winner. So thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye, I love you.